Need your TD Bank paperless statements? In 1 minute, I'll show you how to view and download them securely. Open td.com and click Sign In at the top right of the page. Enter your username and password, then click Sign In to access your account. From the dashboard, click Accounts, then select Documents from the top menu. Choose Paperless Statements in the Documents drop-down and pick the account you want. Select the statement date you need, then click the statement title to open the PDF. With the statement open, click Download or the PDF icon to save a copy to your device. Choose a secure folder on your device, then confirm Save or Export. To share, attach the downloaded PDF to an email or open print in your PDF viewer. Enable two-factor authentication in security settings to add a second layer of protection. Never share your password and avoid public Wi-Fi when accessing online banking. When finished, sign out of TD Bank, close the browser, and keep your files in a secure folder. You're all set.